Hey, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security Disability law firm. What we're going to be answering today is, what should you do as a claimant, okay, the morning before your administrative law judge hearing? Now, when I say that, I mean the morning directly before it. So it's that morning. It's not like a day before, I mean like that morning right before your administrative law judge hearing. What should you be thinking about? What should you be doing? First of all, make sure you have your medication all in a bag or something so that you can bring it. That way when your attorney asks you a bunch of questions about your medication, side effects, all that stuff, you can whip them out, you can go through them. Another thing, make sure that you bring some sort of food with you that you can eat right before your hearing, and then throw out the rest of it, okay? Throw out the little baggie, throw out the whatever. Make sure that if you're bringing your phone, you have a way to get rid of it before you go into the hearing room, or that you explain to the actual judge that you have it, but he's going to have to hold on to it until basically you get out of there, okay? Then just remember to pick up your phone once you leave there. Another thing is to also kind of Google map it out. Figure out how far away this thing is from a bus stop if you're taking a bus stop, because you could be walking a bit, and some of you guys obviously have a tough time with walking. Next thing, make sure you dress appropriately. I don't mean, in the sense of suit and tie. I mean dress as the naturally disabled person that which you are. If you have any orthopedic devices that you might be using traditionally in your daily activities or whatever, make sure you're wearing them and utilizing them, okay? What else? I mean, there's a bunch of things, but the main thing is it's kind of like taking a test in school. You want to make sure that you've got food in you, that you've gone to the bathroom ahead of time, that you're arriving early enough in case there's an issue, and that when you sit down to actually give your testimony, you're really focused on this thing. Now, by this point, you should have had your attorney grill you 10 different times on questions you're likely to be asked in there, okay? What's important about that is that, and just know this up front, attorneys will ask you questions that they want straightforward answers on, that they think are going to be pretty straightforward, yada yada. But we also withhold questions from you until we actually get in there, because we want the judge to see the raw emotional power of some actual questions, okay? So that's how that works, all right? Because keep in mind, if there was an abuse situation as a child, or there was some sort of loss or something like that, the emotional connection of having a judge being able to see you in person is very strong. That's why I'm not a big fan of having administrative law judge hearings via video teleconference or telephonically. I'm just not a big fan of it, because I think there is a strong humanistic emotional connection that can occur in person that you just can't really get across through that telephone, through that video conference system. All right. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, which is a Social Security Disability law firm. What you need to know is basically this. We are an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security Disability law firm, but we've now stretched out a bit to other areas as well. So, with that said, it doesn't really matter where you're from. You can go ahead and give me a call and I'll still help you out. If you do put something in the reply section of these videos, I usually just respond with, at this point, hey, just give me a call on Monday, or hey, give me a call on such and such day, and then I'll try and help you out. Finally, what you need to do is, if you have a unique question for your unique claim, or you want the most up-to-date information, that's fine. Just give me a call or shoot me an email. As you can see, these videos are unscripted. It's just purely my thoughts onto tape sort of situation, but I think they've worked because a lot of people have been watching them, and so many people have been watching them that I became YouTube monetized based on it. So that's a good thing. I will catch you guys a little bit later. You have an absolutely wonderful day, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.